Why is space black? We see stars and galaxies scattered across the night sky, but the vast expanse in between appears as an inky blackness. Why is space, which is filled with light sources, seemingly so dark? The answer lies in a fundamental property of light and the immense scale of the cosmos. The absence of atmosphere. Let's talk about our daytime sky. Earth's atmosphere scatters sunlight, making our sky appear blue. Space, for the most part, is a near-perfect vacuum, meaning there are hardly any particles to scatter light. Without an atmosphere, there's nothing to diffuse the light from distant stars and galaxies into a bright background. Light spreads out now. Consider the nature of light itself. Light from stars and galaxies travels outwards in all directions. As it spreads across the vast distances of space, its intensity decreases dramatically. By the time this light reaches us from far-off objects, it's often very faint. The immense distances, it's time to grasp the sheer scale. Stars and galaxies are separated by truly astronomical distances, measured in light. While these objects emit a tremendous amount of light, that light has to travel across these enormous voids, and by the time it reaches our eyes or telescopes, it is spread very thinly. The observable universe. Let's talk about the limits of our vision. The universe has a finite age, roughly 13.8 billion years. The light from objects farther away than 13.8 billion light-years has had enough time to reach us yet. This boundary defines our observable universe. Beyond it, there could be countless more light sources whose light we will never see. Our eyes are limited now. Consider our own perception. Our eyes are sensitive to only a tiny fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum, the range of all possible light wavelengths. Much of the light in the universe is emitted at wavelengths we cannot see, such as infrared and ultraviolet. Even the visible light from distant objects is often too faint for our eyes to detect without the aid of powerful telescopes. So, space appears black primarily because the vast distances between stars and galaxies mean that the light reaching us is spread very thinly, and the near-perfect vacuum of space lacks particles to scatter that light into a bright background. The darkness of space is a direct consequence of the universe's immense scale.